Hey, what's up guys? Well, currently what we're doing right now is we're back at the build bench. Building this beginner drone right now. It's sort of like my basher drone that I'm going to just use just in case my main drone breaks or something, or if I want a beginner like him to practice a bit in real life. So yeah. That's good. You can just cut off the spikes actually, that's what I do. Yeah. Well, have a good one then, Brandon.
Alright, sure.
Alright. Okay, so according to what I see now, the accelerometer is not working, so yeah, I took a look with my iPhone's macro camera lens, and I found that there's a bit of solder splash somewhere. I'm going to go see if I can try cleaning it up. If I can't, and it's not working, I'm just going to order a new board. So, yeah. Okay, I think that did it. Let's find out if it worked. Okay, I have to capture this moment, but I just somehow managed to fix it. It now works again. Enabled the accelerometer because there was a solder splash on the accelerometer board, and somehow I was able to tap it off, top that solder splash off with my soldering iron, and that took forever, but it worked. So I'm pretty happy, and I guess everything's pretty functional right now. I guess I'll just take it out for a flight. Gonna see if anyone else, any of the other beginners, are up to fly, but yeah, let's go. There you are. Okay, so I'm joined here with Sam.
Hello guys.
And he's flying his Mavic right now before the sun sets because it's nearly dark, and the reason I chose this spot was because these lights, but we're not going to do much for this Mavic. And yeah, actually he's going to Maiden my new drone because this is a drone that I'm sort of making for beginners, so I want a beginner to fly it, and yeah, I guess that's it. Well, Sam's gonna fly this right now. He's gonna Maiden it actually line of sight because he can't exactly land properly and there's kids chasing the drones, so yeah, right. Okay, let's do this. He completely just nailed it into the floor, line of sight, so I guess it's my turn to go fly this FPV.
come back to your place?
Yeah. Okay, I don't think it's actually possible to come back to my place, actually. They don't want anybody charging there, that's why.
Why, really?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I can just take this back to my place.
What?
I can take this back to my place then.
The thing is, you have like half of my in your bag.
Oh.
All right, let's just go to the front door, and then we'll just discuss things there. All right?
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Let's go.